Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about something very important that many people do not realize. Your financial advisor might not actually care about you. Yes, you heard that right. And if that is the case, what can you do about it? Stick with me, and we will break it all down. First, let us start with the harsh truth. Many financial advisors work for companies that care more about their profits than your financial success. They may follow a script or push products that benefit their company instead of focusing on your specific needs. This is why you might feel like just another client in their system. Think about it. Have you ever sat in a meeting with an advisor who talks in confusing terms or rushes you through decisions? If that sounds familiar, it could mean they are not truly listening to you. They might be focused on selling you something instead of building a plan that works for your life. Another thing to watch out for is cookie-cutter advice. This is when your advisor gives you the same plan they give to everyone else. Maybe they do not ask enough questions about your goals, your family, or your personal situation. If their plan does not feel unique to you, it is a sign they are not putting in the effort to understand you. Now, you might be wondering, why does this happen? The answer is simple. Many financial advisors are under pressure to meet targets or sell specific products. They have deadlines and quotas, and this pushes them to prioritize their goals over yours. It is not fair, but it is the reality of the financial industry. But do not worry. You are not powerless in this situation. Here are some steps you can take to fix it. First, ask your advisor the right questions. Do they make money from commissions? Do they earn bonuses for selling certain products? These answers will tell you if their advice is influenced by their paycheck. Second, look for advisors who charge a flat fee. These advisors are less likely to sell you unnecessary products because their payment does not depend on what you buy. Third, always demand a personalized plan. If an advisor is not willing to take the time to create a plan that matches your goals, they are not the right fit for you. Finally, educate yourself about personal finance. The more you know, the harder it will be for anyone to take advantage of you. Knowledge is power, and it will help you make better decisions. So, what is the takeaway? Not every financial advisor has your best interests at heart. Some are just doing their job, and their job is not always about you. But by asking questions, seeking the right advisors, and educating yourself, you can take control of your financial future. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. That way, you will never miss out on valuable tips to improve your financial life. See you in the next video.